Hey guys, Shruti here. Today I have a very special topic to talk about. It's all about how to get pregnant. Do share this video before even watching and hit on that subscribe button. Now these are the tips which are based on my knowledge and my experience. If I missed out anything, make sure to comment below and share it with everybody out there. Being a mom, I had already gone through this amazing phase and I get a lot of comments asked for this. So I wanted to make a video especially because when we want to have a baby in our life, the biggest question is how to get pregnant. And this is a very private thing, so we do not want to discuss it with our family or with our friends because social pressure बढ़ जाता है. And every month, your parents are going to ask and your friends are going to ask and everybody has a lot of suggestions and things to say like हम डॉक्टर बता देते हैं, हम ये बता देते हैं, वो बता देते हैं. So this actually brings a lot of depression as well at the same time. So that's why I wanted to make this video so that together we can help each other and I can share my experience which is going to help you as well, especially if you want to get pregnant. Be happy. Happiness is the key for everything because when you're happy, your mind is relaxed, your hormone is relaxed, your body is relaxed, and that is going to give you the perfect running machine which is needed especially for getting pregnant. This is one of the most important tips. You need to know your fertility window. Now what does this fertility window means? Every month our body releases eggs and we need to understand when these eggs are releasing from our body because these eggs are alive only for 72 hours and within the period of this 72 hours, if you try, then only you can get pregnant. It's real simple to track your fertility window. All you have to do is on your smartphone, just download any period tracker app. I am going to name some here. So you can search in your app store for these apps and download them and track your periods. Within this period tracker app, they are going to show you which is your fertility windows and when you need to try. This is going to give you the maximum chance for getting pregnant. You and your spouse are in this together. So it should be teamwork. Make sure you're not putting too much pressure on your partner because once both of your minds are happy, your body is happy, your body is going to be relaxed. That's why your hormones are going to be relaxed as well and it will be easier for you to create a baby. After trying, make sure you are relaxed. Lay down on bed for good half an hour. You can also keep a pillow under your thigh, uplifting your legs. This is going to give it enough time for positive results. Don't be superstitious or andhvishwas to bilkul hi nahi because I had seen a lot of people who do pujas and this and that and they do have a mahurat and this and that. This doesn't help at all. This is a phase where you need to be very positive and happy and just enjoy this amazing phase. Don't fuss about it. It's a very simple biological process. It's not rocket science. It happened to a lot of people. The only problem is when we think about having a baby and to actually hold the baby, it is going to take a lot of time, like 1 or 2 years. So don't panic about it. This is not just for you, it's for every girl out there. Make sure you have regular periods because if they are not regular, it means there is something wrong and you don't want this to multiply and create a big problem. So that's why if you have irregular periods, make sure to consult a doctor. Our lady part is already maintaining the perfect pH level down there which is needed for creating a baby. So make sure you're not using any chemical driven external product out there which is going to reduce your chances because it's going to disbalance your pH level which is going to reduce your chances. If you have any burning sensation while you are peeing or any kind of irritation down there, make sure to get yourself checked from a doctor because you can have a urine infection. Now when you have urine infection, it makes that area actually acidic, which is going to reduce the chances of you getting pregnant. Make sure to try for good 6 months before hitting the panic button and then only consult a doctor. In case your doctor delivers a bad news to you and they want you to go for a special treatment like IVF, make sure to consult other doctors as well and get their opinion as well because you need to understand that this doctor is not just giving you these suggestions on the basis of they can make money out of it. If you're trouble having babies but your uterus is working fine, there are 3 basic treatments. As of I know, if you know any others, just comment below. The first one I know is ink treatment in which they try to clean up the lady part so that there can be a direct flow and it can make sure there is no infection inside your lady part. In the second treatment, the doctor is going to directly inject the sperm in your body so that it can hit the egg. And the last one is called test tube babies or IVF, where they are going to give you more medicine so that you can produce more eggs, and then they are going to extract these eggs from your body out, and then they are going to keep these sperms and the eggs together so that it can create a baby, and then they are going to inject that ready-made baby inside your body. You can also help your body to create a good healthy egg by taking prenatals. Prenatals are vitamins and minerals which support your egg, like folic acid. Every body is different and every body is different. Some people have this fragile uterus, so make sure you're not lifting heavy objects during this time to avoid any complications. And one of the most important tip is to share, because sharing is caring. Now, I know personally that not everybody is comfortable enough to share their thoughts and their feelings to their friends and family. So you can share your true feelings over here by commenting below, and we can help each other. So just comment below if you are having any problem, or if you have any good experience, just share it with all of us, and I will love to read your comments. So that's it for this video. If you had enjoyed it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit on that subscribe button and hit on that bell button which is nearby to the subscribe button. This is going to give you a notification that Shruti uploaded a video, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye.